Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss what embryonic twins is all about and how it occurred. Nowadays multiple births are more common than they were in the past due to the advancing average age of mothers and the associated rise in assisted reproductive techniques. In particular, the use of fertility drugs. There are two types of twins: identical monozygotic and fraternal dizygotic. To form identical twins, one fertilized egg ovum splits and develops two babies with exactly the same genetic information. This differs from fraternal twins, where two eggs ova are fertilized by two sperm and produce two genetically unique children, who are no more alike than individual siblings born at different times. Twins are more or less equally likely to be female or male. Contrary to popular belief, the incidence of twins doesn't skip generations. Some women are more likely than others to give birth to twins. The factors that increase the odds include age of the mother. Women in their 30s and 40s have higher levels of the sex hormone estrogen than younger women, which means that their ovaries are stimulated to produce more than one egg at a time. Number of previous pregnancies. The greater the number of pregnancies a woman has already had, the higher her odds of conceiving twins. Heredity. A woman is more likely to conceive fraternal twins if she is a fraternal twin, has already had fraternal twins, or has siblings who are fraternal twins. Race. African women have the highest incidence of twins, while Asian women have the lowest. Many procedures rely on stimulating the ovaries with fertility drugs to produce eggs, and often, several eggs are released per ovulation. IVF. Multiple embryos are often transferred to the woman's uterus to increase the chance of success. Women who are overweight have a higher chance of conceiving twins. So let's talk about fertilization. Hormones secreted by the ovaries and a small gland in the brain called the pituitary control the menstrual cycle. The average cycle is around 28 days after a menstrual period. Rising levels of the hormone estrogen help to thicken the lining of the womb, the endometrium, and release an egg from one of the ovaries. Ovulation. If the egg is fertilized on its journey down the fallopian tube, it lodges in the thickened womb lining, starts dividing and evolves into an embryo. Round 1 in 3 sets of twins is identical. This occurs because the fertilized egg divides into while it is still a tiny collection of cells. The self-contained halves then develop into two babies with exactly the same genetic information. Twins conceived from one egg and one sperm are called identical or monozygotic one-cell twins. The biological mechanisms that prompt the single fertilized egg to split into remain a mystery. Approximately 1/4 of identical twins are mirror images of each other, which means the right side of one child matches the left side of their twin. Round 2 and 3 sets of twins are fraternal. Two separate eggs ova are fertilized by two separate sperm, resulting in fraternal or dizygotic two-cell twins. These babies will be no more alike than siblings born at separate times. The babies can be either the same sex or different sexes. The normal length of gestation for a single baby is around 40 weeks. However, gestation for twins, either identical or fraternal, is usually around 38 weeks or earlier, with 68% of multiple births being born prematurely and admitted to special care nursery or neonatal intensive care unit. This shorter time is due to the increased demands on the mother's body and the inability of the babies to receive all the nutrients they need in utero. Since twins are usually premature, they are more likely to have lower birth weights. Prematurity is associated with increased risk of a number of disorders, including jaundice. Thanks for watching. If you find it very much informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.